What Gene discovered while spying on Joe's pizzeria is the very foundation of life sciences, the central paradigm of molecular biology. It's simple. It first states that every living organism contains information that defines what it is and what it can do. This information is stable and inheritable. Then the paradigm says that this information can be used to generate structures or functions. So there is an information flow. This paradigm is what made Gene think that life is like going to a pizzeria. In a pizzeria, structures are objects, like for example pizza slices, or functions, like for example pizza slice cutters. To build these objects, one can imagine a complete guide that explains how to build a pizzeria and which lists all the pizza recipes you'll ever need. The same logic applies to biology. The pizzeria here is a living system, such as the one that operates in mammals feeding their babies. In 1665, Robert Hooke discovered that in biology, such systems were microscopic containers. He called them cells. In our case, the cell is a mammary gland cell producing milk for the baby. Milk is a very complex product. It contains both structural elements, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids, and functional elements, enzymes that help the baby digest, growth factors that help the baby develop, and antibodies that fight off infections. It is all about good health. And there are, of course, complex instructions that are needed to produce milk. They are located on chromosomes, and they're called genes. The central paradigm also states that the information flow is unidirectional. A cell cannot transform milk back to milk recipes. Finally, the information flow is sequential. This means that information is interpreted bit by bit, just like in a food recipe. The arrow, the information flow, is perhaps the most delicate part of the whole system. It is called gene expression. It is a huge part of biology.